How to connect your Instagram account with your Facebook account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Instagram account. After that, make sure to log in with the account which you want to connect with your Facebook. After logging in, you'll be able to see this interface over here. After that, you have to go for the profile settings, which is in the right lower corner. After that, you have to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner, and here you have to go through the settings and privacy. After that, you have to tap on the account center option, and here you'll be able to see the various settings. Among them, you have to go through the connected experiences, and here you have to go through the sharing across profiles, where you will be able to see the add accounts option. So simply tap on that. After tapping on that, you'll be able to see add Facebook account and add Instagram account. Since we are trying to connect our Facebook account, you have to tap on the add Facebook account option. By doing that, you have to review whether it is right or not. Here my Facebook account is already displayed, so it's right, so I am tapping on continue, and here it is described about your adding account, so you have to read it, and if you are agreed, you have to go for yes finish adding option. So after a few minutes of loading, you can see my Facebook account has been connected with Instagram account. So by following this simple step, you can connect your Instagram account with Facebook account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.